Appeal this afternoon has added his voice to Supreme Court. We must remain united. We shall be united. I want to beg you all, any PDP person that is annoyed, pull him closer. Any PDP person that is offended, pull him closer. Because PDP members are not our enemies. We are one family. The people that are fighting, that have made Nigerians poor, they are the APC. They are the people Senator Yofo told you just now, that if you follow them, you become a laborer. May God not let you be laborers. We want a better life for every Etsako child. This place we are having this occasion is named after whom? Admiral Akigbe. Is it not our son? Yes. Don't we want to have another Admiral Akigbe? Yes. By the grace of God, Fuga will produce a greater Mike Akigbe. Yes. On the 25th of February and on the 11th of March, all our children who are running on the platform of PDP, all of you, will just be hearing PDP, 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 and PDP again, and PDP again. By the special grace of God, with your prayers and your support, PDP will win this election.
And to Momodu, we sent it to Hawaii, along with our senatorial candidate, because we know don't accept him. Senator Alebekena is our son and brother. Una know say National Assembly, now the longer you stay, now you do better, now they benefit. Alebekena has a prospect when you will take the deputy senate president or senate president. For that reason, I do not listen. Alfema, we have Senator Yofo, we have SNC Ogadome, we have Baba, Senator Isa Brahma. Then we have High Priest Dokwesi, who started this movement. We need to disgrace him. No. That Atiku should be president, who moved the motion, not be Dokwesi. Yes. You must support him. Oh. You must support him by giving Atiku the votes. I will tell you this, with these men close to Atiku, Etsako, Central will benefit more than states in the country. Our son is the vice president to be. Okowa, the mother is from Orion. His wife is from Orion. So you see, we have so much to gain if we vote for them. Let us talk of going to vote for one kick and start. If you not put steroids in money, you not go wake.
We never lose for this state since 1999. Will have allowed us Muslim again? No. So that issue say that word we never lose and since. I expect say all the other 9 words for Etsako Central will make sure say we win all the wars. Not be so. Not be so that us. You know say woman. See these women, as we call them stand, they never sit down. When woman carry you for back, you dey for?
Woman talk to woman.
I said, if you neglect a woman, you lose election. But this party, this PDP, now the only party for this election cycle will get special women wing. Yes. The only party that has our first lady is the chairperson of the women wing in Edo State. Know. Our mother, the most elegant first lady in Nigeria. She is. the chairperson of the women wing in Edo State. And she is coming to you very soon. I know say you don't line us for program for now. You will come. Because we know say women and the youth that they get election.
Women are helele.
Women are helele.
Women are helele. Women are wire. Nobody be like God. Nobody be like God. Women are helele. Anuye, anuye. Apapa marakotu na o.
After you don't vote for that first one, you will carry the second one, the senatorial one. You are going to vote for the umbrella. Where? You are going to pull hand. Now take the third one. I will vote them. I will take the third one. I will check again where that umbrella is. I will put hand. When I do it like that, finish. I will take them. Put for the different bosses there. Presidential boss, I will put that presidential one for inside. Senatorial one, I will put that one. House of Rep, I will put that one. But don't worry, we get agents for them. We will help you in case I don't understand. So I know. I know it's a conceptor. Now they're very politically active. Now they can't play nothing do now. So for the presidential, we are voting for who? Atiku Okowa. For Senate, who would they vote for? Alibiri Kina. For House of Rep, who would they vote for? Adu Mamadou. For Udaso. Omonowosi. Omonabianosi. Oh, Damian. Nawali. Omona. So, on behalf of our leader, the governor of the state, we say make it greeting our farewell.
Well, waiting me, I say make I tell people. Sometimes me know they use crowd to judge, but I could tell you, with Etsako Central, with what we see for here today, you don't need to tell. Not, they don't tell blind man say rain they fall. If you look at, you gonna say this one are Kari members of PDP where they here. We never tell you of our strangers where they there. But you go see and say, definitely what you see here. We they assure every people say PDP will win Etsako Central.
PDP! Women know you! Women know you! Yeah, oh yeah. Youth oh yeah! Oh yeah! The state party chairman, the digital state party chairman, Dr. Chief Tony Azegbemi, to the microphone. Thank you. Hey, thank you, thank you.
PDP!
Rescue Nigeria.
PDP!
Rescue Nigeria.
Etsako East, oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Women, oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Youth, oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
The digital chair.
I greet all of you this afternoon.
We welcome you, sir.
I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you.
In my leaders' local government, High Chief Raymond Alewo Anthony Dopesi.
Thank you. A round of applause, please.
Your leader has been so faithful to this party. He was the one who, for the first time in the history of this country, from the very beginning, said Atiku is the one we should follow.
Yes.
He went around with his personal money, around the country, telling everybody that cared to listen.
Yes.
He is a great man. He is a visionary human being.
Kai.
He is a man that we respect a lot.
Kai.
He is a man we continue to respect.
Kai.
I ask all of you to please, 3 Gbosa for High Chief Raymond Dopesi.
Gbosa! Gbosa! And Gbosa!
Today, I want to talk only on one issue for the sake of Agadebode people. And that is the issue of the Senate seat. Agadebode, can you throw away your child?
No.
Can the food you want to give to your child, can you give it to a dog?
No. Error.
Major error.
Error.
Women, we say go was error.
Yes.
Serious error.
Witchcraft error.
Witchcraft error. Your son Alimikina is contesting for the Senate.
Yes, sir.
I expect Etsako East to give Alimikina 95% of the votes from this local government.
100%. 100.
That is what I will do.
Yes, sir.
That is what I will do.
Yes, sir.
So on that 25th, when I go on a polling unit, they will give us 3 ballot papers. 3. One will be for presidential. Second one will be senatorial. The third one will be House of Reps. For the presidential, who I won't vote for?
Atiku.
Not Atiku.
Atiku.
Atiku Okowa.
Okowa.
Atiku Okowa.
Okowa.
Not be so?
Yes.
You know, 5 year umbrella day. Put on like this. Dua. The second ballot paper will be senatorial. Who I will vote for?
Ali Migana.
Who I will vote for?
Ali Migana.
That one will there for that place. If that one will be like this, you will get 1 vote.
No.
When I go look the ballot paper, look and see where umbrella day. I go put my hand. Dua. The third ballot paper, the House of Representatives.
Yes.
Who I will vote for?
Andrew Mamadou.
Who I will vote for?
Andrew Mamadou.
I will look that ballot paper again. I will see where umbrella day. I will put hand. Dua. I will carry those 3 ballot paper, put for the different bosses, presidential, Senate, and the House. Then on the 11th of March, who do I vote for?
Agaba everywhere.
Agaba here.
Agaba here. Agaba everywhere. You know we finish it. Agaba go here. You know the chairman. Yes, sir. Agaba everywhere. Yes, sir.
You. Let me repeat, I'm here to congratulate you, Etsako. Madam, stop, madam, wait. Let me tell you why. Number 1, your son and brother, Ale Mekena. If you vote for him now to become member, to go back to Senate, he will be a ranking member, class 1. Which means he will either be the Senate president or the deputy president.
Wow, a round of applause, please. Can we put our hands together for that?
And let me tell you, Senate president alone is entitled to 250 personal aides. Is it coming to be to appoint them? Is it not from you?
Yes.
That is for benefits. For Senate president, his constituency project per year is about 5 billion naira.
Hi. What's up, Inyo?
And this will be the benefit of Etsako East. Don't let people tell you that they will be senator. When they get there now, they will be first time senator, God forbid, and they will be on the floor as floor members. You cannot have gold. You cannot have gold, which is another hidden, and you say you want to use wood. So please, you are the owners. Then let me talk about Alego Dukwesi. For the first time, Edo State will have the benefit of having the president that is our own.
Yes, sir.
Dukwesi brought out Atiku.
Yes, so a round of applause. We are aware, very much aware.
Which means that if Atiku wins, Etsako East will be hosting the president at different events in Aganibode. If Atiku wins, there is nothing that Etsako East would need that the person cannot make Atiku do for you. Anything any governor, any senator says they can do, the president can do over and over and over and over again. Agaba,
Everywhere you go.
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Agaba, yeah. Agaba everywhere.
Mr. Chairman, sir. The people have spoken.
Yes, sir.
This is Agaba for you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for producing him.
Yes, sir. We are proud of him. Everywhere.
Andrew Mamadou, Mr. Chairman, you know him very well. A very loyal party man. And you know, joining an International Assembly, nothing is impossible for Etsako East. It is a gain-gain situation. Then, what else? If we have the president, you have the senator, you have House of Reps, and you have the House of Assembly member.
Yes,
anything you want, you will get.
Yes, sir.
So let's not be blind, let's not be deaf. Let us vote PDP on that day.
I therefore thank you for your sacrifice, for your determination, for your love, for your interest in our great party. Ever since we formed this party in 1998, Etsako East has been a leading PDP local government. You have always performed in all elections. You performed even when the country was very stable. You were not enticed by any other thing for you to vote otherwise. You are all witnesses to the history of PDP in this state and in this country. You know that PDP is a party that ensures safety of life and property, that respect the lives of people. How many of you can go to farm again today?
Nobody.
Under PDP government, rice
was under 8,000 naira. A bag of rice. Today, a bag of rice is almost 50,000 naira. What is the minimum wage in Nigeria? I hear it's about 30,000 naira. So, oh, you are Bakanya 30 days. I read 30,009. Bag rice or back, okay, 50,000 naira. Abono yora ye, abi family na tera ye. Vale. Echie no ge yede. Uwa echie. If you are going to school, every year millions of our children they graduate, and they graduate into unemployment. Not even 1%. Not even 1% are employed. So what do you expect? What do you expect in such a situation? Only PDP that has been taking care of Nigerians, that rescued Nigeria from the army, that rescued Nigeria from debt, that rescued Nigeria from poverty, that rescued Nigerians from invasion. Only we know what to do. Only we have the heart. Only we have the love. Only we have the competence. I call on all of you. Please be unwavering. Please be unwavering. Vagazoya leleva. Dari PDP lele kare loko yara govio. PDP le kakiosami. PDP lele kokobo agweskure ema kekenya nai. Vale. Eregen mara yowali. Ene amiakaya directly office. Ma yo mo apa yo ripego nala. Awena la ogbe e agba business aselare. Oro yopa. Nenu pogbe ube imasege yo gbakanya. A lot, thousands of our children, they became millionaires under you win. Waka vote ni PDP, le. Oneli ne de. Oneli na zayo pa egbobo. Oneli ni udu za zoya. Uga dewe, ukoki palo ugwe. Uga ki ogwere ubi Emmanuel. Ivye era mekanya gbe. Oneli ogere adonova mo Nigeriana. Ora donova mon Edo State na. Ora donova mon wepa Etsako isi na semana. Ekwa bogena. Ilama wate wakazo ya lelewa. Wage chanare ele. Igba lo kwara vote. Wage chanare ele. Onuso ni magevana wa yala adelore. Call your brother, your sister, your brother's son, your sister's son, your daughter, your father, your mother. Gola, won PDP, no gugie. Why emu ni somila eva? Baru PDP, Baru APC. You have seen the one that is a better wife. Your first wife, PDP, has shown is a better wife. So follow that your wife. Hey, Masome. Igbebi Iwakpo. Okay, now give me a say.
Amen.
PDP.
Rescue Nigeria.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please, a round of applause for our leader. That is a wonderful speech. Very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. May I quickly invite to the microphone our illustrious son, a man whom we are very pleased with. Please join me as I make welcome to High Chief Raymond Doc Percy to come.
Of the votes for this local government.
Wow.
Because, like I told you, we have all the candidates that are running from this local government are all from Etsako East. 5 candidates. So every family here is connected and affected. May God not let you make mistakes.
Amen.
You have Atiku Abubakar. All of you know who started the Atiku Abubakar campaign. Who is the person? Who is the person?
Doc Percy.
Have I not your son from here?
Yes.
So if you vote for Atiku, you are
Voting for Doc Percy. Yes, sir.
Every Kuwano child, every EBA child, every Okowa child must vote PDP. I hear some people are telling stories. They are talking about roads they built when they were in government. Was it the money they used in building it? No. Was it the money they used? No. So, I want to beg you all, your sons and daughters, including those that we see contest, I'm seeing them here already. God will give you the grace to vote for all of them.
Amen.
PDP!
Rescue Nigeria!
I therefore thank you for your sacrifice, for your determination, for your love, for your interest in our great party. Ever since we formed this party in 1998, Etsako East has been a leading PDP local government. You have always performed in all elections. You performed even when the country was very stable. You were not enticed by any other thing for you to vote otherwise. You are all witnesses to the history of PDP in this state and in this country. You know that PDP is a party that ensures safety of life and property, that respect the lives of people. How many of you can go to farm again today?
Nobody.
Under PDP government, rice was under 8,000 naira. A bag of rice. Today, a bag of rice is almost 50,000 naira. What is the minimum wage in Nigeria? I hear it's about 30,000 naira. So, you are 30 days. I read 30,009. Bag rice or 50,000 naira.